So I made this trivet a long while back and I gave it as a gift, and the person I gave it to wasn't too happy that it started to rust, so I took it back and cleaned it up, and I drew some temper colors on it and sprayed it with a clear coat. The clear coat is this stuff right here. It's just clear spray varnish. I think this looks pretty slick, and so I'll try to mimic this on another piece. I'll use one of these grab hooks that I made a few videos back. I need to take a few seconds to thank Anthony Smith and Jeff Coffey for their recent very generous donations. GS Tongs couldn't do it without folks like you. Thanks Anthony, and thanks Jeff. So you want to make sure your piece is nice and clean and free from scale. I like to spray some alcohol to remove any grease. Probably not totally necessary, but doesn't hurt. When I see some decent temper colors, I'll quickly quench in that water. I'm on the last legs with my propane, and so I barely have any dragon's breath. Doing it in this manner, you want to take it nice and slow and periodically check. To oversimplify the temper colors, there are basically three: yellow, purple, and blue. And they'll come in that order from coolest to hottest. The fine point is already purple, so I quench it to cool it off and hold it at that color. Since I really don't have much more gas, this is a little bit harder for me to do than normal. Ideally, you want to heat the thickest part first and then let it run from there. And that's easily accomplished with a torch, but not so easily done with a forge. So I've already gone into blue and have to be really careful because the next step will be a not so appealing gray. Could have quenched it 2 seconds sooner, otherwise not too bad. You can always wire brush and repeat to get the desired colors that you want. I lay this cheap clear spray paint on pretty thick and I give it 3 coats. So if, like some, you don't want your pieces to rust, this is just another way that you might go about it. Pretty simple and gets the job done. And that wet look from the heavy varnish can be pretty appealing. I'll catch you guys next time.